Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we break down the latest, most efficient, and budget-friendly tech products for your home. In today's video, we're diving into what we consider the best motion sensor alarm indoor door window, the KERUI Home Security System. Let's start with what this system actually offers. The KERUI Home Security System is a fully wireless, DIY expandable alarm kit designed to protect your home, apartment, garage, hotel, or even your RV. It works without Wi-Fi, GSM, or an app, which makes it an excellent choice for those who want a reliable, no-frills security system without depending on cloud services or mobile connectivity. Out of the box, you get a siren horn, 2 door, window sensors, a PIR motion detector, and 2 remote controllers. It's loud, reaching up to 115 decibels when triggered, which is more than enough to startle any intruder or alert neighbors in case of an emergency. This siren is weatherproof, so you can use it both indoors and outdoors depending on your setup needs. What sets this product apart is how customizable and user-friendly it is. You don't need professional installation. Setting it up is straightforward with a plug-and-play design. The remote control allows you to arm and disarm the system with a unique security code. And if you ever want to expand the system, it supports up to 30 wireless sensors and 8 remote controls. Let's take a look at how this works in real life. Imagine you're leaving your garage or home unattended. You simply arm the system using the remote. If someone opens a door or window, or moves within the range of the PIR motion detector, the siren goes off immediately. You don't need a phone or Wi-Fi for the system to function. It's completely self-contained, ideal for locations with spotty connectivity or for those who prefer a simpler, more private setup. One of the features that really impressed us is the SOS button on the remote. In an emergency, whether it's a child, an elderly family member, or anyone in distress, pressing the S button on the remote will instantly activate the siren. The new siren host unit includes an improved setup guide and clearer instructions. There is one important tip. During the pairing process, sensors need to be triggered within 6 seconds of entering setup mode. If not, you'll need to plug out and back in to restart the setup mode. As for power, this system is versatile. It supports both corded electric and battery power, ensuring that you stay protected even during power outages. Now, while you don't get smartphone integration or app-based monitoring with this model, that's exactly the point. The KERUI Home Security System is designed to be simple, affordable, and offline-friendly. It's perfect for people who want a functional, loud, and easy-to-use alarm system without all the tech complications. In terms of design, everything is compact, sleek, and unobtrusive. You can easily place the sensors on windows or doors without any tools. And because the whole system is wireless, you won't have to deal with messy cables or drilling holes into your walls. So, if you're looking for a dependable DIY alarm system with essential features, high expandability, loud alerts, and no reliance on internet or mobile apps, the KERUI Home Security System should be at the top of your list. That wraps up our review of this compact yet powerful home defense solution. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss more in-depth product breakdowns from Product Critique. See you in the next one.